Hi everyone! Welcome back to Error Genie. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where S.T.A.L.K.E.R 2: Heart of Chornobyl won't install on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store on your PC. Let's dive into it with simple, step-by-step solutions. Step 1. Use the Gaming Services Repair tool. Open the Xbox app. Click on your profile icon at the top left corner and navigate to Support. Select Gaming Services Repair tool. Click Start Repairing and confirm any prompts. Let the process complete, then retry the installation. Alternate method. Search Gaming Services Repair tool on Google. Visit the official Microsoft support page, download the tool, and run the executable file. Once complete, check the installation again. Step 2. Log out and log back. Open the Microsoft Store. Sign out of your account by clicking on your profile icon. Sign back in with the same account tied to your Game Pass subscription. Do the same in the Xbox app. Sign out and then sign back in with the same account. Step 3. Ensure correct date, time, and region. Open Windows settings, then time and language, then date and time. Turn on Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically. Click Sync Now to sync your system clock. Go to Region and confirm your correct country is selected. Step 4. Install the game via Microsoft Store Library. Open the Microsoft Store. Navigate to Library from the bottom left corner. Locate the game and click Install. If this doesn't work, try installing from the Xbox app instead. Step 5. Use PowerShell commands. Copy the provided PowerShell command from the video description. Type PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as administrator. Paste the command and press Enter. Ignore red error messages as they won't impact the process. Step 6. Clear Microsoft Store, cache Open File Explorer, and navigate to C:\users. Your username, app data, local packages, Microsoft Windows, Store, local cache. Delete the local cache folder, restart your PC, and retry the installation. Step 7. Reset the Xbox app and Microsoft Store. Open Windows Search, type Xbox app, and click App Settings. Scroll down and choose Repair. If this doesn't work, click Reset. Repeat the same steps for the Microsoft Store. Step 8. Reinstall Gaming Services. Open PowerShell as administrator. Run the first command in the description to uninstall Gaming Services. Run the second command to reinstall it through the Microsoft Store. Step 9. Update Windows. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, then Windows Update. Click Check for Updates and install all available updates. Restart your computer after the updates are complete. Step 10. Install on a different drive. Open Settings, then System, then Storage, then Advanced Storage Settings. Change the default installation drive to a different one. Try installing the game on the new drive. One of these steps should help you resolve the issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Error Genie for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.